Have you been struggling to buy or sell cryptocurrency without high fees or restriction? Or maybe you have heard about P2P trading but don't know where to start. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Binance P2P to buy and sell crypto safely and easily. I'm Antoinette T, and I've been in the crypto space since 2019. I've also been privileged to work with Mex Global and BitGet Global, helping thousands of people navigate this space. Now I'm here to make it simple for you. So if you want clear guides on crypto, you are in the right place. Now let's get started. So first, let's understand what is P2P. P2P is the peer-to-peer trading that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrency directly to each other without a middleman. So instead of using an exchange to match an order, you trade directly with another person. You use different payment methods like bank transfer and mobile money while buying or selling crypto. Actually, this is one of the most flexible and fee-friendly ways to trade crypto. So why are we focusing on Binance P2P today? As we know, Binance P2P is one of the safest methods as it has an escrow service that protects traders. That is the buyers and the sellers. This means that when you make a trade, Binance holds the crypto on escrow until the payments are made, then the crypto is released to the buyer. So this is a great way to reduce scams and frauds. Let's get started on how to buy your first crypto. It's super easy. So log into your Binance account, head over to P2P Trading, which you'll find under the trading section. Then choose the crypto that you want to buy. You can select Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum from the various options available. Then next, select a buyer. This will need you to check their reputation, which includes their rating, their release time, the reviews that they got, and also the payment methods that they are accepting. Once you have decided on the seller that you want to trade with, enter the amount and proceed to make the payment on the payment method provided. So once you have made the payment, next is to confirm that you have made the payment and the seller will confirm that they have received the amount. After that, it's when Binance now releases the crypto to you as the buyer. And that's it. You have got your crypto in your wallet. So what happens if you want to sell cryptocurrency? It's just as simple as buying. Once you are logged in into your account, go to P2P Trading, which we said is in the trade section. Now you need to switch to the sell tab. Previously, when buying the crypto, we were on the buy tab. Now, since we are selling, we are using the sell tab. Choose the crypto that you want to sell. Select the buyer. You have to consider their reputation. You have to consider matching with the trusted buyers. Then enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to sell and the payment method that you want to receive the cash in. Next is to wait for the buyer to make the payment. Once they confirm that they have made the payment, you'll confirm that you have received the cash, and Binance will release the crypto from escrow to the buyer. Here are some tips for safe P2P trading. These are important to avoid scams. 1. Always trade with verified users. Also use Binance Chat for all communication. Don't go outside the platform, whether it's on WhatsApp or Facebook or whichever platform. Maintain all the communication on Binance Chat. Also, never confirm to release crypto if you have not yet received the payment. Also, be cautious of the deal if it looks too good to be true. That's it for today's video. Now you know how to buy and sell crypto on Binance P2P. But is crypto really safe? There are so many myths out there. Some are true, some are false. In our next video, we will separate crypto myths from fact so you don't fall for misinformation. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out. And if you haven't signed up on Binance yet, check out the link in the description for a special sign up bonus. See you in the next.